Hello YouTube, this is another quick video on how we post on OfferUp and to get real quick hits. Here's a couple examples of the toys we just picked up wholesale, and yeah, and here's the ads that I just posted, and some lady already wanted to buy them all, but you know how people do, they tire kick you. Here's an example of the ad. So it's I take very simple photos, and then I always include a photo of what it sells for at the stores, and then just knock the price down a bit to make sure it sells. See, these ones I just posted up. Doesn't look good there, but once you click the photo, so here, I'll give you a quick tutorial on how I do. After that, I have this app. Here we go. I do that, then I typically go to the Google link, and then I see what they sell for, and then I just click the shopping, and then right there, pull it up like that, screenshot it. I look at the most reputable one, and I'll just take $2 off. And then we go to post item, select photo, the one you take, 4 photos. A lot of people say write descriptions, but I actually only just like to write what I think I would search if I were looking for the item. So in this case, I would just make it very simple to try and hopefully if they search something, it just grabs it. So I would just put LOL surprise. And then here, I would just go ahead and read whatever the box says. LOL surprise, OMG outrageous millennial girl remix, unboxed songs, lyrics, 25 surprises inside, spin the record to play the music, Honeylicious, fashion, mix and max. Then you make sure Siri got everything right. LOL surprise, OMG outrageous millennial girl remix, unboxed songs, lyrics, 25 surprises, the side spin, spin the record to play the music. Always make sure you just reread it, double check. Sometimes it will slip through. Honeylicious, fashion mix, mix and match. Match. And then here, like I said, I will just go back to what selling for, Target. I will just knock $2 off on this one for $2. Since I see it's a hot item, I won't be offering shipping on this because local pickup, it'll probably sell. And then do one more, and Google shopping. Ooh, this one's expensive. 27 bucks, 57 bucks. Nice. Try and get those big prices in there too, like me. LOL, surprise, OMG, outrageous millennial girl, sports. And this one is labeled differently. Let's go. O, period, O. See, so kind of give it a different name. So, like I said, if people search something different, your ads will still come up, but you know, it gives you just more of an option in case they do accidentally write something different. LOL, surprise, OMG, outrageous millennial girl, 20 surprises, unbox fashion, package becomes playset. This is one is called Vault Queen. Oops. Say Robob Queen. And the next one. For some reason, this one's a lot cheaper than the Lone Star.
What TV?
Where's the Lone Star one? Oh, my wife wants to take it. The Lone Star remix? For some reason, that one's a lot more expensive than this one. This was only 17 bucks, but it's
on sale, that's why. Did you check the original price? It's 35.
Oh, you're right.
Because they have the Black Friday sale, that's why I was telling you.
Dang, you know what? Let's just go ahead.
Maybe we should wait. I mean, we're not gonna. Just a little cheaper, you get me?
And that's it? Yeah, I hear you, babe. And that's all we post.
They have a lot of other toys, but...
Hello, YouTube, and thank you for watching the video one more time. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. Keep you updated on the hustling, and hope you guys are hustling as well. And have a good night. Check it out, YouTube. It looks like we already got a hit. We got a bite. Oh, and another one's coming in. Let's see what it do. What it do. Oh, it's the same lady. I can pick it up tomorrow if you are not far. I live in Corona. That's not far at all. I live in Anaheim.
Oh, sorry, let the Aniti's about this.
Hopefully we get the sale. Catch you guys in the next video.